Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate all the support. But in today's video, I put together some footage of the bushcraft event of me getting the knives, and also of the subscriber who met me there and gave me the knives. So I picked up some good knives up there in need of repair, and he gave me some beautiful knives too. So y'all stay tuned. How can I repay you for this?
You don't owe me nothing. Entertainment, man.
Hey guys, some coffee just started. Powered by my Jackery 500. Look what I make. Black Rifle Coffee Company. Kodiak Attack. Made in the USA. Look what he's got in his hand right there. A big old knife. Ain't that cool? Fix to start my grill up. Get some bacon and eggs going. There's my Gazelle Tent T4. Pretty, ain't it? That's music to my ears. It's percolating.
Oh, you got that? I got you. Yes. I didn't think I'd see you. Great. 30. Wow.
Good morning, babe.
How we doing?
What's the best you can do on this one here?
I go $10 on it.
All right, I'll take it.
We're gonna pack.
I saw. Alright, gonna get this one for $10. And I'm thinking about getting this Imperial here and putting handles on it. It's cheap handles, but it's a pretty well built knife. See what I can get for that. Offering $5 for it. I got, that's 10 and that's 10.
Okay.
Now will you take 5 for them too? That's just an old cheap Imperial.
You're saying 5 for the 2?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'll do
25.
that.
All right. Yeah. Sounds good, bud.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
I might come back.
Yeah, come on back. We'll hook you up with one.
All right.
What's going on, buddy?
How are you doing?
Doing good. I'm just looking at your stuff, man. It
Yeah.
looks good.
Thank you. Pick up anything
Them are some good knives.
I tell you what, I carry those, that, and this is old hickory. Those are the 2 knives I carry the most.
Yeah, they're lightweight and they're made very well.
Right.
Okay, bud.
Hey, I got one of those. Mine's just a different color because I wear it.
You need a sheath for it?
I actually got.
Yeah, I would love it.
But it's a muscle memory that you have to figure out for sure. It took me a really, really long time to get comfortable with that kind of stuff. Get a little ceramic pony rod and all that. I thought there was a leather strap with this cube. I could be wrong. It's like
I don't know if you select these kinds or not.
Oh my God, man. That is so nice, dude. I appreciate all this, man. I might have seen you more than a cap.
Nah, that's all right. I'm just trying to support your channel.
Well, I appreciate that, man.
And this is actually a Barlow cigarette lighter.
Is that right?
It might be.
Yes, sir.
Some of these are
Oh my God,
just
man.
junk. That's a
No, I love
Zippo
junk.
insert. I see you collect those. I'd never seen one like that.
I love camping knives, man. You just don't know. Let me see. Check that out. Beautiful. Beautiful camping knife. Dude,
I've got
made in USA.
several of these. I didn't know if you wanted those or not, or
Yes, sir. I mean, if you don't want one of them,
use them for
I love
parts or
knives.
whatever.
Man,
That's an old timer.
Yes, sir.
Need some work done on it.
yes, sir. I see that.
Good friend, me and him graduated together. He was stationed. He was in the Marine Corps.
Is that right? Okinawa, it says?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
He sent this back to his dad.
Oh.
It's not a Zippo, but his dad passed away about 3 years ago. He was my brother-in-law.
Is that right? I'm sorry to hear that. Yes, sir. We can fix this one up.
And that's an unusual looking case.
But that's a red bone.
Yeah. Stockman type knife.
I bet I want to say it's going to be... I have to get my sandpaper on it. I can't read it.
A little piece of the handle right there.
Okay.
Probably.
Just put it right there.
We can put it. You can have this box here.
Oh, man.
Back in.
You're so nice, man.
That's
Dude.
an old Queen, but the
Queen color.
The pen is slipped out of
Oh,
it.
yeah. Yes, sir. I'll be glad to work on that.
But it's a Queen. It's been sharpened a good bit.
Mm-hmm.
That's just a... I know you had a
Yes,
case
sir.
that would fit in.
It's just, I sure will.
I've got the knife that goes in that, but I couldn't find it. It's got one of the blades that's made like that. One of the blades is broken off of it.
So it's a holding hunter. I bet you if it's like this.
Yeah, I dropped that case and broke it. So.
That's all right, sir. Well, thank you so much, man. I love this knife right here. They're all nice, but this is probably my favorite right here. Man, I love that knife. It's old. Just by that right there, you can tell. Man, this is nice, dude. How can I repay you for this?
You don't owe me nothing. Entertainment, man.
Well, I will certainly send you a hat. And what's your name again, sir?
Warren Lindsay.
And where you from?
Dublin,
Georgia. He messaged me the other day on YouTube and said he's got some gifts. He wanted to gift me something, and this is just amazing to me. Well, thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it so much.
You're welcome.
I'm going to be going over all these knives that you saw in the video that I got from the Georgia Bushcraft event. Not only from the event, but also from Mr. Warren Lindsay, who met me up there and gave me the knives and zippos. Can't wait to go over those with y'all. Be on the lookout for that video coming out tomorrow. And also, I'm about to leave here going to a flea market that's only open on Wednesdays. It's over in 5 Points, Alabama. And I'm going to be going over there to look for knives that need repair. So y'all be on the lookout for that video also. But thanks again, guys, for tuning in today. Thank y'all so much for the support. God bless y'all. And until we meet again, be like a good knife. Stay sharp.